Hello and welcome to the transcription explanation of this design. This is a bit of a funny design. It says cloaca juice, which basically means bird poop. So here's some fun art that is bird poop, which is, something cheeky and fun and a cool thing you can do with this script. Anyway, with that being said, all of this extra stuff on the outside is just decoration, but everything on the inside is part of the translation, including this little guy here. This shape is this shape, which is our start here marker, and that gives you your bearings and tells you which way is the bottom of this design. And you want to know where the bottom is because the reading order is bottom counterclockwise. So you start at the bottom and then you go back, like going back in time, so 6 o'clock back in time. So we have our first word here and then our second word here. Similarly, on our word circles, here's the bottom, so our first letter is here and our last letter is here. So this one here, first letter is here, and then we go around. Actually, no, first letter is here. Sorry, I'm bad. First letter is here, and then going around, our last letter is here. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and get to how to read the specifics of this, because obviously this looks way different than this, but this is actually the same word as this using this same cipher. It's just in a bare bones unraveled version. For example, we have 1, 2, 3 completed circles inside the word circle, which in this design I made this sort of Celtic knot looking thing, and we have 3 dots on this, 4 dots. The one in the middle counts. 1, 2, 3, 4 dots on this C, 1, 2, 3, 4 dots on that C. The L has 3 dots, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then here's the O, little guy, vowel, inside the word circle, A, outside the word circle, C, 1, 2, 3, 4 dots on that circle, and then another A outside the word circle. So that does indeed say cloaca, or like a bird's butt, specifically their butthole. So anyway, cloaca, and then we have juice. So the bottom is here, and if we go to the 6 o'clock position, these are really close, whether or not you read this one first or this one first, but I very much, I also hand drew this with a marker and only had one go at it, so there's no erasing. If I could change this, I'd rotate everything just a smidge, so that way we could tell that this is the first letter. Because anyway, a J is a completed circle inside the word circle, and a U has a line going outwards away from the middle, whereas an I has a line going inwards towards the middle. And then here's another C, 1, 2, 3, 4 dots, 1, 2, 3, 4 dots, and then an E is a little guy, and that little guy is shown on the line of the word circle because this font can't put any vowels inside a C because it's got too many dots taking up all the space. But if I did a JE, it'll show you the E goes inside that circle. So this is the CE. So there's limits on what you can do with the font version, but there's like no limits in what you can do if you do all those and understand the script. So anyway, basically, in short, vowels are smaller circles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vowels in this design, and then consonants in this design all happen to be completed circles. They're all in this row. So the C, the L, the J, and those are the only consonants in this whole design. So yeah, I'm not even going to go into the other consonant stems because all you need to know, consonants, big circles, vowels, little circles. There are dots, and there are vowels with lines on them. So yeah, fairly simple amount of rules in this design just because of the letters all happening to be in the same row. So yeah, that's that. I hope you like it. Bye.